Okay, if we look at this example, first of all, we can see that it says solve. You have been doing simplifying in today's lesson. This one is solve like before. So we have an equation here, not an expression. It's got an equal sign, which means we actually have to find x. However, because there's so many terms here, what we want to do first, the first step of solving an equation is to simplify if we can. So to do exactly what you were just doing with this left hand side, because the left hand side can be simplified. Forget about the right hand side for a minute. If we look at the left hand side, we have some like terms. We have a 3 and a plus 2x. If it helps you to underline them, or sometimes you can circle them or highlight them, that can be a useful technique. And then we can add the 3x and 2x all together to give 5x. And then we have a plus 1 and a 4, but don't just circle the 4, it's negative 4, so you need to take the sign with it as well. So we have 1 take away 4, which would give you minus 3, and then that equals what was on the right hand side, which was 7. So we have equals 7. So now we've simplified it, the left hand side. This equation looks like something we've been solving before. Because we've got 5x, we take away 3 from it to get 7. We want to add 3 to both sides to work out what 5x is. So 5x would be 7 plus 3, which is 10. And then if 5x is 10, we can divide both sides by the number of x's, and we get that x would equal 10 divided by 5, which is 2. Okay, so your technique for these questions is to simplify before you start to solve, and then solve the equations as before.